Assalamu alaikum. Hello, everybody. This is Hasnan from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And after, I think, almost 2 weeks plus gap, I'm again live. And today it was heavy raining at Kuala Lumpur and thunderstorm and or fireworks also. So that's why I'm a bit delay. Although I was getting almost ready about 2 hours ago. So I'm back again live. That's nice. So today I will be exploring, as usual, some tools with all of you, and feel free to use chat and comment using the comment section of Facebook or even in YouTube. Post your questions and do interact with me and those who will be watching the recording. Feel free to subscribe my YouTube channel and post your questions. So it will be around 30-minute session. Let's see how it goes. Let me share in the chat. Um, as the title said already, H5P is HTML5 package. It helps us to design interactive content using 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 web-based features of H5P. Sorry, I was pasting something and that pops up some error, so that's why it takes. Okay, so what I can do. Yeah, just hold on. I want to add. Okay, so anyway, I wanted to paste the site. Or what I can do, I will try share my screen, and that will be very helpful. Okay, so this is the site. Let me change the settings a bit. Hmm. So the site here, you notice already is h5p.org. So once you key in this URL, I would say you try create your account, sign up. It's a free platform, free service. I have already logged in and signed up, and what you are seeing now is my dashboard. So the nice feature in this is that all your content you are creating using this website. Okay, and this is how it shows your dashboard. You can keep on seeing different content, and you click view all, and that's how you could actually see that. You can click create new content. Yeah, so once you click create new content, then the editor will be open here, and you have to pick different H5P um, uh, content type. Okay, and here currently they allow the recent use first or some of the content type. for you to pick from the list. The first one is image choice, other one is dialogue cards. So you can, if you're interested in, but today I will be focusing more on how we could do interactive video content. And if you want to use interactive video content template, I would suggest you to click examples and download. So once you go there, this is the site of examples and download. Yeah. So you scroll down. Ideally, this H5 works very well with learning management systems or even WordPress blog. So if you are having these learning management systems or blogs, like WordPress or Moodle is learning management system, Canvas, Brightspace, Blackboard, or many other virtual learning environments, you could integrate, and I think it's a free tool. Most of these platforms are free also, and you could, yeah, you could embed with learning management systems, and then uh, the editor will be, or all H5P features will be part of your learning management system or your blog. So, but you can design using h5p.org platform also. So, welcome all those who just joined. Feel free to use chat, use your comment sections to ask questions. Feel free to let me know from where you're watching my broadcast. Okay, so I was telling how you could use H5P interactive video. So once you click it, it will show you a sample content already designed by Jobel, if I correctly, yeah. So this template is actually free to use, reuse. So if you click on reuse at the bottom of this uh, bottom of the video, click reuse, and then they will allow you to download .h5p file. Okay, yeah. So you can download this file, uh, or let me show you how it looks like even. So this is a template already shared by Joel. So let me play, and hopefully you can hear the sound. Or sorry, this is okay. This is an assessment there, which I actually click and the screen opens in full mode. So highlight the ingredients that have been added so far. Uh, Maybe strawberries or blueberries, and you can check and you can click next. I think I opened it full, that's why. Yeah, so you could do that, right? Click on check. I'm not sure why it's not that responsive. I just check it was working fine, maybe because I shared the screen. Oh yeah, my mistake actually. What I was doing, I was clicking in the studio where it's just showing the image of our content, right? So if you see here, recipe was the first interaction they put, and if I click recipe, uh, it should actually pop up. I don't know why it's not popping up. Okay. We can have multiple choice questions. So what kind of berry? This is a sample product I'm sharing with all of you. And the nice feature in H5P, you could reuse all these templates and modify. So if I check, yeah, that's the correct answer. And the cool feature, once you publish in a SCORM or XAPI format and few other formats for learning management systems to track all the interactions and the quizzes you have embedded on top of the video. Okay, so let's move on. Let's play. So you can have even bookmark also. So I can jump immediately, like if I want to jump to mixing. So you could see that uh, that's how you could check. I'm just okay. Seems that the sound is not coming because there's a music as a background of this video. Yeah. So what I was explaining here on top of this video, we have what you call interaction as a layers, uh, and you can jump in by clicking this bookmark icon there, and then let's jump to serving. And you notice here how we can serve this, and you can actually click this plus sign and add a few berries on top of serve immediately. So this is the whole idea of how we could add on interactions on top of a video based content. And the last thing would be the summary. Summary is where they ask you to write down some statements and let the learners or viewers pick accurate statements. So choose the correct statements with the ingredients are blueberries, strawberries, oatmeal cookies, and wow. So let's try. I was not paying attention with the, oh, that's wrong. Okay, so that first one is the correct one. Yeah, choose the correct statement. First add the berry, add the cookies. So this is another question. So that's correct. Use cookies and okay. And that's how I got 67% correct. Because there were three statements, three questions, and I have to pick. And then once you continue, so the video will proceed. And you could click submit your answers. You click submit your answers. So that's where learning management system will track all your interaction. So now what I did, I actually click reuse, download the file onto my computer, and after that, I have uploaded. Just give me a few seconds to fine tune the internet connection. Seems like I was doing a hotspot from my laptop to. There are a lot of examples. So let me click again and show. So interactive video, the one I clicked just now. There are so many other examples, and our focus today is more on interactive video, the first template. And as we proceed, we may explore all these different types of templates. And you notice even there are some games and flashcard. And recently they have added 360-degree video also, yeah, a virtual tour. That's very nice template. If you have 360-degree video content, you could actually import and add more interaction on top of 360 degree. So in 360 degree, learner can move, rotate up and down. And on top of that, you could actually put some kind of labels or what you call like knowledge checks. So feel free to those who just join in, say hi in the comment section, and do let me know from where you're watching my broadcast. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. Okay. So once again, I'm showing H5P, using H5P and showing step by step how we could create interactive content using different templates available under the section called download examples. And by downloading this template, then let me show you how you could actually uh, go and if you are in the dashboard, let me show you again, once again. So you are, yeah. So if you are on the dashboard and you could click uh, view all content and create new content. Okay. So once you click create new content, they allow you to create from the scratch or using the templates available in this list. So currently they promote these two templates. Some other day we will cover these two templates, but for time being, I will be focusing more on video-based interactive content design using the template just now I shared. So you click upload, they will ask you to upload the file with H5P extension. Let me confirm the extension. Yeah, is .h5p. So that's the extension of the file, which once you click on reuse and uh, download the file, and after that you can upload. Once you upload the file, uh, let me do it again. And I have downloaded already the sample template, interactive video. I can click open and click on use. So it will upload all the template and let it load. You could change interactive video sample. Okay, just leave it sample. This is a name. You can change the title, and if you scroll down, so there are different videos. Okay, so like because the first step in this template, you need to uh, upload a video. Okay, so in this case, the video is already uploaded, and if you want to add another video, and click this plus sign, and you can even copy a video from YouTube or any other platform. We won't be modifying or disturbing uh, YouTube or core video. The interaction will be on top of the video as a layer. Okay, so that's how you could do it. I won't be changing that. Second step in this template is adding interactions. And if you notice, now I think you could recall just now I was showing you, and you can, before jumping into designing, developing this content, I would suggest to come up with the proper storyboard where you better watch the video in detail and mark the timeline, at which time frame. If you could see here at the bottom, we have the scroll bar. So you could adjust at appropriate time or point of that video where you would like to add the interaction. So you can simply drag that to that point, okay, and add interaction. So if I jump here, so you see here, we have already added a multiple choice quiz. And if you want to modify or change the position of this interaction, you can move it. You can even click edit, and this is how multiple question comes in. If you pick a button, then it will just show a button and learner or viewer have to click it. But if you pick as a poster, and then if you scroll up, you see this is duration. It will display for 3 seconds and then it disappear. And I would suggest, if that activity or action is very important or critical, please use poster. Poster is where you are kind of forcing learner. Sorry to use this word force. I don't like that, but what I mean, like learner have to go through that interaction, and video will be paused. Don't forget to click on pause video, and then it will appear. So if you want, just now was button. Let's try make it poster, and I can show you how it looks like. So if you scroll down, these are the different options available. And at the bottom, you have like scoring rate, all this you can set according to your own preferences or how you want the rating and feedback also. So if you notice here, you can modify the feedback, and there are a few other settings like behavioral and adaptivity. I won't be going in detail now because this is just a basic level, But feel free if you want me to conduct intermediate or advanced level of sessions, sharing more technical features, to let me know in the comments, and then I will be actually planning to do that. So once you are done, you click done, and then you see is the poster will be there. So what you need to do, you can adjust it, make sure how it look like. You see, I will make it a bit so that they don't need to scroll up and down, right? So this is how it goes in. You can adjust where you want, okay, right? You see, so same goes with other interactions also. And if you want to change, or you want to even change the video also, background, all that. And if you notice, there were two videos. I think one was the video itself. The second file in the previous step was, I think, the music, right? And then if you want to add a new interaction, these are the different interactions you could do. Even you could do a hotspot. That's very popular, especially in medical education or medical field, where you could allow ask learner to show an image or show a video and pause the video and ask click on appropriate um, portion or appropriate item of the video, and this is how the branching they call crosswords just now. In bookmark also, they or you could have an interaction where you could put, you want to know how to serve this, and then you click that, it will jump, the video will jump to that portion. But you need to watch the video completely before reaching into this development phase. Come up with proper storyboard, list down what sort of interactions you want, and here you have all the interactions available, and free text questions all you could add in. And the last step is actually summary. um, Up to you. Most of the cases, I would prefer and recommend to use summary, and this is just intensifying learning, where you could ask certain statements and ask the learner or viewer to pick the correct statement, and that is just to kind of summarizing all the content by asking these statements, right? Asking them to pick the appropriate statement, and it's actually a knowledge check kind of thing. And this is how you can adjust the feedback given at the end, and you can even add interaction also. That's the previous steps. And once you're done, you click save. Oh, sorry for that. Something wrong with the gateway and all that. Sorry for that. But that's the overall step. And once you have completed, you could actually again, oops, there's something wrong with the gateway. I'm really sorry. Seems okay. Now it's okay. So yeah. So what I was telling you, like once you're done with editing and all interaction is ready, then you could play, and you see this is the ingredient list. By clicking, you could get that, and I think if I'm not mistaken, it will be there for 3 seconds, and after that it will disappear. Yeah, the second interaction is coming here. That's a multiple choice. So if I don't click after 3 seconds, because just now I could not save, that's why. Otherwise, it should it should actually show as a poster, But most of these interactions they are using as button only. So button will not pause the video, and it's just it pops up and disappear. You could extend the duration of all these interactions. Right? Let's move on. Yeah. So this is where the posters will make sure that video is paused and things are appeared and viewer have to interact, then only video will start playing again. So this is where strawberries. So let's try see once again. Wow, there was something like I did not able to answer. That's why, but I can go jump and serving, right? So here are the serving tips. Add few berries on top of the glass and serve immediately because that's how the texture and all that. And summary is also very important just now, where you have to. I'm just clicking without reading. Add cookie, berries first, okay, and then use cookie. Okay, and you continue. So that's how it goes. And then submit answers. And here you can even increase the speeds and all that. And if you notice at the bottom part, you could embed this interactive content which you have designed using H5P.org, and you could even download and upload to your learning management system from here. So this is all what I plan to share with you. I once again summarize. Just go to h5p.org. Okay, h5p.org. Okay, and you need to. I would recommend you to sign up. And once you sign up, then all the content you're going to create using this site will be listed onto your dashboard, and you could share them, you could modify them, you could reuse them, and you could see that just before 8 months I sign up. And the cool thing in H5P is that they are keep on adding new uh, content, and I will be covering. Let's make this as a series of step-by-step guide as a video form. Feel free to comment and do let me know which type of content you want me to cover in my next live broadcast. That would be my pleasure to share with you step by step guide. And feel free to share and share this video if you like, and subscribe to my channel. um, you can actually subscribe. There are several channels, like I am managing, like on Facebook or YouTube, right? So once again, thanks for dropping by and watching this uh, content. Okay, so let me Yeah. So what I'm sharing here is actually the slide, I prepared. So this is the first slide where I want to share with you H5P interactive content design, which is a free tool, web-based platform where uh, it's reducing the background music so it won't disturb and interfere with my voice. Okay. By the way, I'm using Restream, and if you could see on, I think this left side on top, Restream, which is a free platform. I'm using still free version of the Restream, but if you really like Restream, please do subscribe, and they have different features with paid version. Uh, yeah, so I just yeah. So let me go through with quickly with slides. Seems that why slides coming. Let me share again. Sorry. Yeah. So this is what I want to share. Then yeah, iSpring will be maybe another session where I will cover the free version of iSpring 9. And they got also some features where you could do interactive content design. Yeah, so I started using Clubhouse also, so feel free to subscribe. Uh, and this is my link. I think I forgot to delete this HTTPS. Just if you scan QR code, then you could actually subscribe to my channel profile in the Clubhouse. And this is where I'm more active on YouTube channel. Feel free to share with your network and subscribe to my channel, and do comment once you watch the recording of this session. Um, if you have any question regarding Restream, H5P, and the interactive video content just now I shared, feel free to put in the comment and do let me know what type of content of H5P you want me to cover in my next session. So stay safe, everybody, wherever you are. Bring back, yeah. So yeah, I was telling you like stay safe and follow the SOPs, whatever they are actually asking us to do to curb these COVID cases and all this stuff. So I would just end my broadcast here. Assalamu alaikum and see you in my next session.